Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we'll understand how we are gonna import and export data in Postgres. So basically to import and export the data we have two options generally. So if you want to export the data in CSV format, and the second one is the standard dump format. Okay, so in CSV format basically we can use a copy command, and in the dump format we'll be using the standard pg dump command to export the data as well as to import the data. Now let us have a practical demo of exporting the data as well as importing the data. So let us check the table first. So we have a file table backup as a table. So if you see the number of records, we have 5 rows currently. Let us try to export the data first. So first let us try to export the data in CSV format. So we'll be copying this table to location will be var_lib postgresql. The file path is .csv. Now here we have to specify the delimiter, like what will be the delimiter separator for the columns. So this will be our separator. We want a header as well, so we'll specify this command. So with this command you can see we have 5 rows exported. Now let us check whether we can able to cat or check what is the content inside that file. You can see we have 5 rows, exactly 5 rows. Now as you can see we have selected the data from this table. Now let us first truncate this so that we can import back with the help of this CSV file into the table. Now first the step will be to truncate the existing data. Okay, in the real scenario you will be importing the data to UAT server, some other server. So for this demo purpose we'll try to truncate and re-import the data. So let us truncate. Okay, now there is nothing. Now let us try to import the data. So just we have to use the from instead of to, that's all. So you can see now the records are there. So you can customize this copy command as well. So suppose you want only the first name. So what you can do, you can just use copy in the table. You can specify the columns, like you can use first name or second name, last name, and then you can use this command. Okay, and you can export. So it depends, you can customize this, and while importing you have to just remember that your structure should be same. So suppose if you are using a 2 columns, then while importing you have to create a table with 2 columns, whatever the columns you have specified during the export command. Now let us understand the pg dump, how we can take the dump using the pg dump. So we can use pg dump -d. Our database name is a demo hyphen table equal to, our table name is file backup table. Okay, and let us see file backup dot dump. So this is our file. You can specify the number of columns. You have to specify the column inserts so that you will get an insert statement in this particular file for this particular table. Okay, now let's try to cat this dump file. Let us see what the content is. So you can see so you'll get an insert statement for each rows. So the difference is there you will get a CSV format, here you will get the SQL statement. Okay, to restore this data you have to actually run this file from the PSQL prompt. So now let us try to dump this file, okay, back to the data. So now this will give error because we already have the table present, correct? So let us try to use the file. You can see already exists, but it inserted the row. Now in our case we should have 10 rows, correct? So let us check how many rows are there. 10 rows, because these are the rows which are inserted from the this dump file. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more such videos. If you have any recommendations or you want to know more about any database features, you can definitely comment. I'll try to make video on that. Thank you, guys.